Hello there. It's the middle of the day right here, somewhere in the city center. Yes, in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in the city center. And there's some bit of drama going on here. As we could see right there, there is a bird. Yes. I presume that's a swan or possibly a pigeon. Yes, possibly a pigeon, and it's stuck up there. I don't know if it has been caught up in a net or whatever, but it seems it leans or its legs are caught up somewhere in some kind of a trap up there near the roof of this building, and this bird can free up itself. So the fire brigade has to come up here and we'll be trying to rescue this bird. Alright? So that's what we are saying right now. It's a huge crowd out here to watch this drama unfold. Yes, to watch the rescue of this bird. That's right up there. Right here. Can you see that? Right there at the corner. Yes, and the fire brigade. Yes, the fire brigade is right here. The fire brigade is right here to try to rescue the bird from its trap. Alright? So the fire brigade is installing its equipment to be able to go right up there at the top of this building here in the city center in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. The fire brigade is going to try to rescue this bird. Alright? Okay, so they are putting their equipment into place to go up there right now and rescue this bird. And some few or a crowd of very inquisitive people, possibly the well photographer of YKBD as well, trying to get a view of what the fire brigade is trying to do right here now. Alright? Okay. Yeah, we can see what amount of effort is being put to rescue a bird. Okay? Yeah. Some people will say it's just a bird. So this bird's life is just as important as every other life. Okay? Alright. And so the fire brigade have now taken their position in their equipment, and the lift is going to take them right up there to where the bird has been trapped. Okay? The fire brigade is now going up, being lifted by their instruments, and they will be going up there right now to try to rescue the bird. Okay? So they are now being lifted into position, right? This is the fire brigade. Yes, they are now being lifted into position to go up there and try to rescue the bird, alright? Yes, it's just a bird, but its life is also as important, alright? How do we say? Every life is more than okay? Yeah. So the fire brigade is right there now. Yes, they are there now. And you can see the bird screaming as well. It's as if it wants to fly into the hands of the fire brigade. It just can't free up itself, alright? Look at it, it's trying to fly into the hands of the fire brigade, yes? It just can't free itself, bird. Yes, rescue is on the way for this bird. I'll just keep it now what's going on, alright? Yes, rescue is on the way for the bird. The fire brigade is right there now. Right with the bird. And it's going to be rescued now. Assuming there's no electric cable there, they are watching out the fire brigade. They would want to touch it right now to make sure that the bird has not been cut off by any electric shocks and stuff like that. So they are watching out not to go directly to touch the bird with their bare hands. So they are putting up some protection for themselves. Yes. They're trying to get some protection for themselves. It seems he doesn't want to touch the bird for any electrical default possibilities. So he's going to try to get the bird to go into the bag. Alright? Yeah. So let's see what's going on now. Yeah, now they got the bed. Now they got the bed, and you can see, you can hear the crowd cheering. The bird has been saved. Yes, it has been saved. The bird has been saved. You can hear the crowd cheering now. Okay. Alright. So the procedure is done now. We will not going to take much of your time. This bird has been saved. Alright. Okay. That was an excellent rescue from the fire brigade. An excellent rescue from the fire brigade. Okay. Well job. A job well done, guys. Yeah, bravo to the fire brigade. You have rescued the life of that bird. Okay. Alright. Enjoy your day, everyone. Have a good time. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Keep watching YK Media. We are here to bring you not just entertainment, but also stuff like this. As you see a bird, the life of a bird rescued by fire brigade. Alright? Stay tuned for more interesting